Hello guys, today we are a bird today and we are gonna fly. We're gonna destroy everything, humankind. Okay, so we're gonna, what is this? Whoa, this is a cool city. Get off the road, please. Ow! Ow,
I
whoa,
walk
whoa, whoa,
faster
there's
than
any
most.
police.
30 seconds to
I don't know if there's any police.
move to the square now.
I don't know if there's any police. Wait, what is this? The president? Whoa, this looks so sick. Oh, there's police guards. Hello, guys.
Text me the details later.
Hello. Hello.
Outpacing my responsibilities
What are you
by
doing?
2 blocks.
Hello. So, guys, we're gonna prank
Practice
people
sitting
today
down, stand
and
later.
hope not to get arrested. Why are people running away?
Skip.
Run, guys, run! I just told someone. Run! Ow! Bye bye. See you later. Whee! No, no, no. Ew. Oh, this is cool. Okay, that's cool.
Perimeter holds. Cancel chase.
Wait, cancel chase. Birdman! Wait, what's this? Better call Birdman. Got Sultan Rosudan. Who is this guy anyway? Wait. Oh, I can break this guy. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool. Okay, so what should we do now? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, this is the president. I wonder what the president does. Oh, there's a pizza box! Pizza box. Ow! Why are they killing me? I just wanted some pizza, man. Pizza. Bread. Literally wanted some pizza. So annoying. Run! Ow!
No eyes! Resume patrol!
I literally hear them right now. Okay, so we're here. We're just moving. That looks so good. It's so weird that I'm punching it. Okay, let's fly. What should we do now? Whee!
Street names I'll forget later.
Ow! I'm trying to find some food. I saw a pizza box. There's a lot of this. Wait, did I saw a pigeon? Oh, it's a bottle. It's a bottle. Oh, that's cool. I'll bring that back to my home. I'll bring that back. I'll get some. Wow, what's some weapons? Bread, that was my drink. Oh, that's cool. Whee! I got a katana sword. Come on!
Investigating.
Oh shoot! Oh no, that's a police car.